Okay, so this is the wind, and it is blowing very strong here in South Dakota, and yeah, we're under a red flag warning. So yeah, and the wind is very strong here, and yeah, and that's the way it is. And goodbye for now. And temperatures dropped in 3 degrees over the last few minutes, and show me what you got, wind. Show me what you got. Okay, so so I think the wind is coming out the south 23 miles per hour. So and that's the way it is. And goodbye for now.